So why clicks? The pitch from Michael Fisher was convincing, leaving aside that this is only officially available for iPhones and that he's an Android man. Michael likes different, and so do I. The idea is partly retro, bringing back hardware QWERTY keys like it's 2005, but also partly to reintroduce the idea of full screen productivity without a software keyboard taking up a third to half of the display. And as someone who often tinkers with Bluetooth keyboards on trips for exactly this reason, tactile text entry and zero impact on screen real estate, I was very interested to try Clicks. It's taken a few months because I wanted this for my existing iPhone 14 Pro Max with Lightning port. I certainly didn't want to change to a 15 series just for Clicks. But the Lightning version does support pass-through data, so Mac connections and wired Apple CarPlay both work, unlike on the newer Type-C iPhone, so I stand by my decision.